Let's see how to protect your Wix site with a password. Protecting your Wix site with a password helps restrict access to specific pages or your entire website. In this tutorial, we'll go through a simple step-by-step process to set up password protection in your Wix. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser, and once you're in, go to the Wix editor and open the Pages and Menu section. Click on the page you want to protect. Navigate to Settings and then click Permissions. Next, choose the Password Holders option and enter a secure password. Click Apply to save the settings. That's how you protect your Wix site with a password. See you soon!